So we were talking about this table. I was explaining quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. Every four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. Now we are coming to the picture which have five sides. Its name is pentagon. Every five-sided figure is called a pentagon. Similarly, six-sided figure is hexagon and eight-sided figure is octagon. Now let's come to the next exercise. Next exercise is exercise 5.8. Coming to the question number 1. Question is, examine whether the following are polygons. Polygons means a shape whose a closed figure made up of line segments. A closed figure which is made up of line segments is called a polygon. If any one of them is not, say why. As you can see, the first one, this is not a polygon because it is not closed. Just now I was explaining every closed figure made up of line segments can be called as a polygon. So that's why this A part, this one will be not a polygon. Why? The reason is because it is not closed. Coming to the B part, this shape is a polygon because it is closed as well as it is made up of line segments. C, this is not a polygon. It is closed but not made up of line segments. That's why this is not a polygon. Similarly, D is also not a polygon because its base, this is not a line segment. Coming to the question number 2, name each polygon. This time we have to name the polygons. Polygons means, just now I explained that every closed shape made up of line segments is called a polygon. But there is one more condition, that the polygon should be of 3 or more sides. 3 या उससे ज़्यादा साइड्स के शेप जो होते हैं वो पॉलीगन्स कहलाते हैं. टू साइडेड शेप वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉपर टू साइडेड शेप. So that's why a figure which have 3 or more line segments, a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. So the first one, it is a four-sided shape, four-sided figure. That's why its name is quadrilateral. B part, three-sided figure, it's a triangle. C part, five-sided figure, it's a pentagon. And D part, eight-sided figure, it is a octagon. Coming to the question number 3, draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. We have to draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means a six-sided shape. Hexagon is a six-sided shape. But the problem is here they have used the word regular with it. It means it's all angles, all 6 angles as well as all 6 sides should be equal. So we have to draw a rough sketch, so there is no need for measuring all that. To draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon, connecting any 3 of its vertices, draw a triangle. ध्यान रखिएगा, they are talking about a regular hexagon, so its all sides as well as all angles will be equal. So we have to connect any 3 of its vertices. By joining those vertices, we have to draw a triangle. Identify the type of the triangle you have drawn. At last, we have to write down the name of that triangle. You can see the shape over here. This is your hexagon. I have just drawn a rough sketch of this hexagon. They are saying connecting any 3 of its vertices. I have connected this, this and this. These 3 vertices are connected and I have formed a triangle. Now we have to name this triangle. It will be an equilateral triangle. Why? Because all the angles of a hexagon are equal. That's why it will be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all 3 angles are equal. That's why it will be called as an equilateral triangle. Coming to the question. So now we are coming to the question number 4 of exercise 5.8. The question is, draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. This time in this question they are talking about a octagon. Means as 8-sided figure, 8-sided shape. Again the word regular is used. It means it's all 8 sides as well as all 8 angles will be equal. Now they are saying draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. We have to join any 4 vertices of the octagon and we have to form a rectangle. So before making a rectangle, we will draw an octagon. This is the shape of your octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to draw a rough sketch. You can draw somewhat like this. Now they are saying by joining any 4 vertices. I have joined these 4 vertices. First vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex. I have joined the 4 vertices and this time we have got a rectangle. This will be the shape of your rectangle. Coming to the question number 5. A question is, A diagonal is a line segment that join any two vertices of a polygon. Just now I have explained, and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. First of all, we have to draw a rough sketch of a pentagon. Pentagon means a five-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the shape of a pentagon, and then we have to draw its diagonals. हमें इसके अंदर diagonals draw करनी है. Diagonals, just now they have written in the starting, diagonal is a line segment that can join any two vertices of the polygon. कोई भी दो vertices को join जो line करती है, that is called a diagonal. So I have joined 1, 2, 3, 4. I have drawn four diagonals in this pentagon. If you want, you can draw some more. Now coming to the exercise 5.9, but before coming to that, let us do this portion. This is a do this. First point is, a cuboid looks like a rectangular box. This is the shape of a cuboid. It has 6 faces. One face, second face, 3, 4, 5 and the bottom one, 6. Each face has 4 edges. हर face की 4 edges हैं. Edges means line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each face has 4 corners. और हर face के 4 corners भी हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next point is, a cube is a cuboid whose edges are of equal length. Cube भी एक cuboid है whose edges are of equal length. It has dash faces. We have to count the faces of this cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the bottom one, 6. Each face has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. Each face has 4 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertex are there in this face. A triangular pyramid has a triangle as its base. It is also known as a tetrahedron. We have to write down the faces. 1, 2, 3 and the back one, 4. Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Edges. Corners means vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. A square pyramid has a square as its base. We have to write down its faces. 1, 2, 3. Front one, 4 and the base. Bottom. 5 faces. Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. A triangular prism looks like a shape of a kaleidoscope. It has triangle at its base. We have to write down its faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back one, 5. Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. Now let's come to the exercise 5.9. Match the following. First is your cone. Its answer is this one, A. Second is sphere. Its answer is this. Third is cylinder. Its answer is this. Fourth is cuboid. Its answer is this. And fifth is pyramid. Its answer is this. Next question is, what shape is your instrument box? It is the shape of a cuboid. A brick, cuboid. A matchbox, cube. A road roller, cylinder. A sweet laddu, sphere. All these are the shape of the given ones. So here we have completed our exercise 5.9. Thank you everyone.